In this tutorial, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of converting OFT files to Gmail format using the PC.OFT to Gmail Converter tool. To install the PC.OFT to Gmail Converter, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch it. To begin, click on the Open button. This tool provides users with the option to select from multiple categories of email data. Email data file, desktop email client, email accounts, email servers. Further, each email category offers users a variety of file types. Navigate to the email data file, where users can view various file type options, including OST, PST, OLM, EML, MSG, OFT, and others. Click on the OFT option and then select Choose Folder or Choose File option. Choose the folder containing OFT files and then click the Select Folder button. Our tool also allows users to preview data before conversion. Simply click on any folder to view its contents. Select an email to see the message. The tool will only display relevant information in the content section. User also have the option to save attachments if there are any. Right-click on attachment to open or save attachments. Tool provides users with Open, Save and Save All option to save multiple attachments. Our tool provides users with various preview options, including content, properties, header, raw, and hex views. This tool provides users with two types of search options: folder search and advanced search. Let's see the advanced search option. Click on the magnifying glass icon. This option allows the user to search the entire Outlook data file, including contacts, calendar, and more, or you can also choose the options individually. To convert an OFT file to Gmail format, go to the Export option. Our tool supports multiple formats, including email files, document files, email services, and email clients. For this tutorial, let's select the Gmail option. Here user can see multiple export options to be included or excluded in exported Gmail file, such as create empty folders, skip grayed out folders, include email headers. This option allows users to see all the headers in the email, which contain vital information about the sender, recipient, and routing details. Toggle it on or off accordingly. Append into default folders. This option allows users to automatically add or organize files into default folders, without the user needing to manually select the folder. Toggle it on or off accordingly. Backup folder name. This refers to the name of the folder where the backup of the converted data will be stored during or after the conversion process. Backup email address. Here the user need to enter the email address to which the backup or converted files might be sent or associated with. User can enter it into the box next to the password option. Password. Here the user need to enter the app password associated with your email account you're using for the backup. User can enter it into the box next to the password option. After configuring all the settings, it's time for the export process. Click on the Save button, and the export process will begin. A pop-up will soon appear, notifying users that the trial version limits exports to 10 items per folder. To remove this restriction, users must purchase a software license. Click on Open Gmail button. It'll redirect you to Gmail. Go to Label section in Gmail inbox. And here you have your exported OFT files. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.